Describe a skill you want to learn.
Well, gardening was the truly enriching skill which I would love to learn in my future. While many aspects of gardening appeals to me, but the ability to grow my own food is particularly inciting. The idea of stepping into my backyard and harvesting fresh organic produce for my meals is incredibly appealing. It's a skill that offers both immense personal satisfaction and, I guess, tangible benefits. So, my interest lies beyond simply planting a few herbs. I envision understanding the entire process from seed to table. This would involve learning about soil science, how to enrich it naturally, balance its pH, and identify the nutrients different plants need. I'd want to master the art of companion planting, like understanding which vegetables thrive when planted together, naturally deterring pests and promoting growth. Crop rotation would also be a key area, ensuring the long term health and fertility of my garden beds. Furthermore, I am keen to delve into sustainable gardening practices. This includes rainwater harvesting to reduce water consumption, composting to create nutrient rich soil amendments from kitchen and garden waste, and natural pest control methods that avoid harmful chemicals. Imagine cultivating a vibrant ecosystem where beneficial insects flourish, helping to keep unwanted pests at bay. Wow. The ultimate goal would be to cultivate a diverse range of fruits, vegetables, and herbs throughout the year, adapted to my local climate. This knowledge gained wouldn't just be about growing food, it would be about connecting more deeply with nature, understanding the cycles of life, and fostering a greater appreciation for where our food comes from. The skill promises not only fresh, healthy produce, but also a profound sense of self sufficiency and a beautiful, productive space to enjoy.